I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2, and I'll be showing you how to factory reset this watch. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the main menu, just press the crown once. On the main menu, scroll down to settings, tap on that, and then under settings, if you scroll, you should see system menu, tap on that, and then under the system menu, you should see the option called reset. So tap on that, and then it's going to warn you that resetting the system will clear all your personal data, and keep in mind that this cannot be reversed. So if you still want to proceed, just tap on the red check mark. That's going to factory reset your CMF CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. Now, once it finishes resetting, it should go back to the original setup page where you can see the language. And that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck.